What up, YouTube? I wanted to spend a little bit of time with y'all. I finally made it to 200 subscribers. Whoop, whoop, whoop. I know in the YouTube world it's pretty small, but to me, it's pretty dang cool. I was just making videos to post so I could share with my friends and my family. I think it's totally cool that you guys enjoy my visions. I apologize for not making any videos this month. It is super wet and cold out here in Northern Oregon. I am working on a DMX video that I did for my birthday. Stay tuned for that. I got a green screen so I can switch up my videos from time to time. I'm pretty excited about that as well. To celebrate my 200 subscribers, that would be perfect in the holiday season to do a giveaway. All you have to do to enter the contest is leave a thumbs up and then put a comment below. Tell me what kind of videos made you guys subscribe. The KLX, BMX, random adventures, and then what kind of videos you guys want to see. Moto vlogs, raw ride videos, more pets. I'm going to leave the contest open until right around the 25th or until I get 25 comments. I am going to be giving away this cool vintage style skeleton key. It is also a beer opener. Even though I can't have a beer with you, I will help you open one for years to come. And I will personally open one of my own beers before I send that out. I'm sure my subscribers have seen my crash, so I will send a signed copy picture along as well. So after I hit that 25 comments, stay tuned. I'll make a reveal video for the winner. I found this cool website that does a random selection comment thing. It's pretty cool. Alright guys, I totally appreciate everything. Happy holidays, happy trails, stay safe, stay wild, have fun. Alright, until the next video, peace. This dragon, dude.